I start this laptop, every time this screen display at the starting time. This problem display by CMOS battery. So you change the CMOS battery of this PC or the laptop. So disconnect the power cable, remove this batteries, remove the screw. After then remove this CD player and remove the scobo. After then you have to remove this battery, that is a CMOS battery. Yes, this is the CMOS battery. You can check it, 20 decibel, check it. This is just 0.28 volts, so it's common CMOS setting. So I show you this my new one. This new one is 3.05 volts, so it's a okay fine battery. Replace this CMOS battery. Yes, done. After then, connect the power cable. Yes, and start your PC. So you can see same screen has been displayed again. So the setting of this CMOS, press F10 of your keyboards. F10. Go to configure menu and go to boot options and press enter key. By default, legacy is disabled, so you enable these options. Go to legacy support and change this disable option. Now it's disabled, so you have to enable these options. Press enter and choose enable option and press enter and choose yes and press enter and save the setting. So press F10 of your keyboard, exit saving and press enter. Showing operating system mode change and saying 1915 plus enter to complete this change. So you have to press your keyboards this pedal and enter and the process will be complete here. I'll press 1915 and enter. This window has been started. This way we can solve